Hey guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today let me introduce our new 8 tumbler heat press 2-in-1. It includes 2 heaters, both of them are 270mm height. The large one is suitable for 7.2 to 8.8 cm drinkware, such as 16, 20, 30 ounce stainless steel skinny tumblers, 11, 15 ceramic mugs, beer tumblers, large can-shaped glasses, and mason jars. The small one can print some trendy 70-ounce slim glasses tumblers, print glasses, can-shaped glasses, and color bottle, and 6 to 7.1 cm drinkware. Now let's see how it works.